Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can only concatenate tuple, not int, to tuple. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a tuple and an integer using the plus operator. In Python, you can concatenate two tuples using the plus operator, but you cannot concatenate a tuple and an integer. Here's an example of how this error can occur. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, tuple 1 is a tuple containing the integers 1, 2, and 3. The second line of code attempts to concatenate tuple 1 with the integer 4 using the plus operator. This results in a type error, because you cannot concatenate a tuple and an integer. To fix this error, you need to convert the integer to a tuple before concatenating it with tuple 1. Here's an example of how to do this. Now let's run this example code. Here's the output you will get. In this example, 4 creates a tuple containing a single element, the integer 4. By adding this tuple to tuple 1, we concatenate two tuples together and avoid the type error.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.